Hello everyone today. I hope y'all are having a great day. Today I have the Splendies little underwear subscription. This is my first one, so this one isn't a certain month. Like when you first sign up, you get a welcome pack one, so they're just kind of random. They're not pairs from the current month, or maybe they do have some of those, I don't know. It just said it on there that the next month you'll be getting what people who have already subscribed are going to be getting for that month. So I ordered these in June. The cutoff is like the 10th or the 17th or something like that. And there are two options. There's small through extra large, which is $12.99 a month. And then there is 1X to 4X, which is the small to extra large is $14.99. The 1X to 4X is $16.99 a month. And then you can get a variety of thongs and no thongs, or all thongs, or no thongs at all. So I kind of already opened this because I just kind of wanted to see, and I was impatient and didn't feel like filming. So it comes like this. I kind of butchered the paper, but it comes wrapped. And the first one I'm pulling out are these. Really cute floral design with a little lace on the edges. And then this is my favorite pair out of them. Now, I got the variety pack. Here is this one. Back. And here's the thong, which is kind of boring to me, but here is this. And those are the underwear that I got, my Splendies, and I believe all of them were $12 each. Yep, they're all $12 each. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.